Hello students, so let us see the next problem on projection of planes. Now it is given that a thin rectangular plate of side 60 mm by 30 mm has its shorter side in the VP and inclined at 30 degree to HP. Project its top view if its front view is a square of 30 mm long sides. So this is the problem. Now let us see what things can be extracted from the problem. So the plane is a rectangular plate. Dimension of the plate is 60 mm by 30 mm. So the longer side is of 60 mm, shorter side is of 30 mm. And it is said that the shorter side of the rectangular plate, here you can see the shorter side is in the VP. So has its shorter side in the VP. It means that you can assume it as the board which is mounted on the classroom. If you lift the board from one end, the shorter side of the board will be on the wall, whereas the three sides, that is two longer and one shorter, will be away from the wall. So this is the condition. The inclination is given as 30 degree to HP. Now this inclination is of the shorter side. The shorter side, which is in VP, is inclined at 30 degree to HP. And it is said that you have to project or you have to draw its top view if its front view is a square of 30 mm long sides. Okay. So here in the last sentence, it is said that the front view is a square of 30 mm long sides. Now what is this front view and all the things we will discuss. So one by one, starting from where shall be the true shape. Now the true shape will be decided by this, that the shorter side in VP. So we will assume that let the complete rectangular plate is resting in VP or on VP. So you can assume that the complete board is fitted on the wall. So the true shape of the rectangular plate will be seen in front view. And next we have decided that the true shape is seen in the front view, the inclinations. Now it is said that it is the shorter side is inclined at 30 degree to HP. So this inclination with HP is nothing but theta is given to you. So we require two inclinations, theta and phi. So out of this only theta is there, no other inclination is mentioned. But at the same time, it is said that you have to draw its top view if the front view is a square of 30 mm long sides. Now whenever you will come across such problems in which it is said that a plane is given and the front view is this. So here the plane is given rectangular plane, front view is given as square, or it may be other way also. Plane is given as a rectangular plate, top view is seen as a square. So either the square or whatever is the thing given, that it will be maybe a rhombus. A rhombus is the plane given to you and its front view or top view is seen as a square. So like this, whenever such type of problems is there, whatever the shape given here is nothing but the reduced shape of this rectangular plate. Okay. So the square given here is nothing but the reduced shape of this rectangular plate. Now when you will get this reduced shape, now there are two reduced shapes. One is drawn in the second step, another is drawn in the third step. So remember, the reduced shape given in the problem will be always of the second step. So if this is the XY line, here you will draw the first step, then you will draw the second step. So the square or the reduced shape which is here given in the problem will be of the second step. Now it is said that, or you can say that when the rectangular plate will be inclined in the second step, or the surface inclination will be given to the rectangular plate, its front view will be seen as a square. Okay, so somewhere here you will get the square. Now what is the size of the square? 30 mm. So all four sides will be 30 mm. And out of these two dimensions, 60 and 30, one will be common for the square. So 30 as the shorter side is of 30 mm. Now you can see the first step. I will explain you the first step, then again we will come to this particular part when we will start the second step. So let us say that we have drawn the rectangle of 60 mm by 30 mm. So as shorter side is mentioned, I have kept the shorter side of the rectangular plate on my longer side, and this on the left side, and these two longer sides are parallel to XY. So this is the dimension 30 mm and 60 mm. Now giving the names A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash, so it is the true shape of the rectangular plate. You will project it in the top view. So as we are assumed it on VP or in VP, the top view of this rectangular plate will be seen on XY line. So this is the top view. So this end will be AB and this end will be CD. So we have given the names. Okay. So this completes the first step. Now, as per the previous problems which we have solved, we used to get the true shape either in the front view or in the top view. Then a line was there. Then the second step will be always the inclination of the line, whether the true shape is in front view or in top view. So here also the inclination of line is to be done. So as the inclination is in, or the line is in top view, we require the inclination with VP, which is not given, but the reduced shape is given. Now what happens here when you incline the line? If assume that the inclination is given to you, you incline the line, you project it, and you will get the reduced shape here. So already what reduced shape is to be drawn here is given to you as a square. And how much is the size of the square? 30 mm. So what can be done is first that we will try to draw this reduced shape first here, and then we will try to obtain the inclination. So project first this A dash, D dash, B dash, C dash towards the sides of the true shape. Then draw a square of 30 mm sides here. So this is a square of 30 by 30, or all sides are of 30 mm. Give the names. So this is nothing but our reduced shape number 1. So we have given it as A1 dash, B1, C1, D1. Okay. Now what is the next step? Once we have drawn the reduced shape here, we will try to find the inclination. To find the inclination, first project this A1 dash, B1 dash on XY line and D1 dash, C1 dash below XY line. Okay. So why we have to project it? Because we have to keep shorter side AB on XY. That's why we will stop this projector here only. So this point here will be AB point. So let us mark that AB. Now on this projector CD will lie. So take AB and CD distance in your compass. AB as center, cut the projector. So once you have cut the projector, mark the point CD and join AB with CD. So like this you will get the inclination here. This will be the inclination of the surface or of the plane with vertical or with VP. Okay. So we have drawn it in reverse. So this type of problems are also called as reverse problem, in which reduced shape is given and you find out the inclination. So here it is not asked to find out the inclination, but you can calculate or you can measure this angle, that will give you phi. So what the things? So exactly we have done opposite to what we were doing previously in the second step. So indirectly what is happening? Line is getting inclined. So once you have got the second step, now is the turn to incline this reduced shape. Now it is in front view, we require the inclination with HP, it is given as 30 degree. But what to be inclined of this four side? The shorter side. Which is the shorter side? AB, here this side. So A1 dash, B1 dash will be inclined at an angle of 30 degrees. So first mark a line which is parallel to XY. Then you will redraw the square so that this A1 dash and B1 dash will be at an angle of 30 degree. So see that when you are drawing the square, all the internal angles are 90 degree. If by mistake the angles are not maintained and it gets converted into a rhombus. So what we have done is, whatever the reduced shape we have got in the second step, I have redrawn it by keeping A1 dash B1 dash inclined at an angle of 30 degree. Next, project all these 4 points in the top view. Same way, project CD. AB no need to project, it is already on XY, so I will just project CD, mark the points of intersection. So A, this will be A1, again B, this will be B1, C, this will be C1, D, this will be D1. So once you have marked the points, join them by dark lines. This is nothing but your reduced shape number 2. So this is the final solution we have got of that particular rectangular plate, which is seen as a square in the front view. So if you again read the problem, now that up till here it is of it is not so much difficult. So a shorter side is mentioned, we have kept it on left side, all the thing. Now here, if it is project its top view, so you have to draw its top view, this, not this top view. So project its top view if its front view is a square of 30 mm side. Okay, so this is the square of 30 mm side. So this particular thing was given, and then by inclining the shorter side we have got the top view which was asked to project or which was asked to draw. Okay, so this is the solution of the problem. Thank you.